We're always easy. What?
I just burped. We're at a shooting range.
We're at a shooting range.
Pow pow.
Shooting guns.
But
not yet.
Hello everyone.
That is so zoomed in.
Oh.
That windswept look right there. Hot to trot.
Hello all of the British boys of the world. Come shoot guns with me. Yep, we're at a shooting range. I'm not shooting guns because I'm scared. And also I can shoot guns like in like a year or two. But Paige has to shoot guns now because she's going back to England where they don't use guns. What kind of place is that?
A boring one.
We're eating hot chips. This is weird. Vlogging is weird. Look at this hair though. You should put some really intense music behind it.
Sing a song. Sing a song. Is that what you said?
Yes.
Clap your hand, you know it. Clap your hands.
Hey mom.
Mom.
Mom. Mom.
So once you kind of get it lined up on the target, just squeeze the trigger.
Yeah.
You hit it. That's it. You did it. All right, you can keep shooting if you want, because there's probably 5 or 6 more rounds in there, so keep going.
You hit the middle one. Good job. Look at
Nice.
that.
Little bitty one. Very good. Nice.
Paige is about to shoot more guns. Here we go.
I'm going to shoot it once so you can see. See how much it kicks. Right, 3, 2, 1. So it's not really, I mean, it jumps just a little bit, but not much. It's like somebody tapping it like that. Okay. Line up your sides. You just squeeze. That's good. That was a little high, but that's all right. That's a hit.
Hit it.
Hey, get down. This is good.
Pull it all. It's got a really long. It's got a long trigger. You keep shooting it every one.
That was scary.
It'll be surprising when it goes off. Okay.
Oh no.
So it'll be okay. You'll see it's not going to fly out of your hands, but just know that it's a lot of noise and a quick, sharp jerk. Okay.
It's not as much, but
I'll
it's.
shoot one round so you can see, and then you can shoot it. Okay. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
3, 2, 1. All right.
Absolutely. Do you want to shoot more, or we need to shoot some rifles, and then we'll go. So you shot a 22 rifle,
That's the black.
a 22 pistol with a suppressor.
Yep.
You shot a 45, and you shot a 45 pistol, and you shot a 9mm pistol. And then now we're going to shoot some more. There's a few more to shoot.
They're like Tomb Raider. And that's my favorite game. Huh?
Yeah.
Because I play so much Tomb Raider, I'm just naturally good at shooting guns. Am I doing it right?
Yep.
Good
Nice.
shot! Okay, now rack it. Pull it back. Forward. Oh, okay. Whenever you're ready.
Oh man! You having fun?
I'm having a ball.
Yay. Are you having fun? Yeah. How are you feeling, Sue?
I'm feeling great. It's very loud. Haven't died yet. Paige shot all the guns. I shot none of the guns because it's too scary.
One day.
One day, next time you come to Georgetown.
Yeah. I feel like, oh snap. That's all that sums up that experience was oh snap.
Oh snap.
I shot a lot of big
Literally,
guns.
Oh snap. Oh. I feel like, oh. Whatever this makes.
Oh bang.
Oh bang. Oh bang. Like, oh dang. Oh bang.
Oh dang, oh bang. It was very fun. I got very nervous and my vlogging arm now kind of hurts because of the shotgun.
Oh
I'm gonna have a bruise.
no. Oh dang.
It's fine. America.
Town fun, gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown fun, gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown fun, gon' give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
White girl status plus 10.
What?
White girl status plus 10.
It's open, right?
Oh snap.